And is that usually on the client side, on the operator side, who would usually their main point of contact? Is it a facilities director? Is it a physical security director, or does it just depend on how large the facility or how large the operator is with how specialized the job roles are?
Yeah, it really varies. New construction, you're dealing with a lot of like project managers. And again, it depends on how big it is. Some of them have their own architect teams, their own design teams. And then post-construction, you're dealing with some kind of facilities maintenance folks that are involved. Could be on-site, could be off-site.
Depending on whether it's one person covering multiple facilities and spending a ton of time in the car versus but whether they're big enough to have dedicated. And I guess it depends on the time of day also, because maybe they have someone there during regular 40, 50 hour a week and nights and weekends. Right. They one person covering 5 facilities or something like that.
It's humorous when you think about how large these facilities are versus how many people are actually working in them at any given time. Like it could be a massive facility with like 15 people total, like in the whole building. And so getting into some of these facilities for the techs can be, it can take a long time. It can take 90 minutes until all the clearances are done and they're good to go. So
I hear you. Yeah, that's one of the interesting challenges that developers have with getting a lot of these new projects green lighted, is because it can help with taxable revenues, but it doesn't tend to create the same kind of job as like another building facility that's occupying that much space would. So yeah, there's all kinds of interesting challenges around the growth of this, which presents challenges around selling to a whole new kind of stakeholder than the industry's had to sell to historically. But your stakeholder is a lot more straightforward.
Yes, absolutely.
The GCs, the architects, the operators, for sure, are all on the same side as you. It's just a matter of how much they prioritize all different aspects of physical security and whether they understand the insights that your team brings to the table.